So here's a song for the end of the world. Guess I'll stay inside and drink. Feels like we're living on the brink. No human contact, and I've had too much to think. Guess I'll stay inside and drink. No one can go outside. The ones who did all died. So I'm drunk and I'm hunkered down. Since they closed all the bars in town. Always thought the apocalypse would be a little more exciting than this. Where's the hellfire raining down? All we do is sit around, so I stay inside and drink. Nothing but glasses in the sink. No human contact, and I've had too much to think. Guess I'll stay inside and drink. All depends on your point of view. Armageddon or a mild flu. Is this the end of the human race? I'd give anything to touch my face. Ain't there one damn song that can make me break down and cry? Guess I'll stay inside and drink. Feels like we're living in the brink. No human contact, and I've had too much to think. Guess I'll stay inside and drink. Everybody sing along. Oh, I forgot. Stay inside and drink. Feels like we're living on the brink. No human contact, and I've had too much to think. Guess I'll stay inside and drink. Oh Lord, gonna stay inside and drink. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, I'm gonna stay inside and drink. I get religious when, the end of the world thing comes around. Take care, y'all.